Okay, hello everybody. This is the third video from Monday, June 19th. This is live trading, and I just got filled. I'm long here. Anyway, as stated before, it's pretty difficult for me to focus on live trading and make
Okay, I
live
scratched that
videos,
trade
but
at
I'm
a
doing
tick,
it so you
but
can
I'm ending this
see
video here because it's
what
already
I
7
do
minutes
and how I
long.
use the BWT
But I entered a
indicators.
trade long
Again,
again right after
if you'd like to
this.
find out more
That's
about
in the
my
next video.
discretionary method, please contact me at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Anyway, let's see how this trade plays out. Okay, I'm long here. I actually got a crappy fill because I clicked the mouse at the wrong bid. I was going to try to get filled at a limit, a tick less than here, but I knew that if this bar closed blue, uh, we actually have a divergence here on all of our oscillators are giving us a divergence. So then we got a doji bar here. So I'm playing this based on the BWT indicators. I got blue bars. I got a divergence in the indicator. This is
All right, I'm going to
problematic. Usually
re-enter
get
again.
a resistance at the 20 EMA, which is right here. But again, I'm kind of playing this and seeing if
I
this
don't
is
want to
going to be
chase,
the
but
test pullback for the day, and it's going to go up and test the highs since the day itself is
all right, I
fairly
re-entered
bullish.
because of all the
So
averages coming together
if we
here.
don't get resistance at the
I'm
20 here, it's probably going to
hoping
come at least up here to
that
48,
it's
I
going to break
believe.
out here.
So let's watch and see what happens. Hard to say. The market's really undecided at this level. We got two dojis. Hopefully this will hold. These are 3-minute
Dome over
bars. If
here
this
so you
holds
can
with a
see my
higher low,
position.
that'll be very good. If it breaks above the 20, this usually is resistance, but if it breaks above here, then all sellers that sell that setup will likely cover. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so I trimmed a section of the video here as it was just going on for minutes, and I want to keep these videos short. You can see the volume profile here. We're seeing some small
This acts
size
as
at
natural support
47.
in the
That's
market.
good. Uptick to 47 a quarter. Good, good. We need to see it get above 48. All right, so now we've got higher highs and higher lows, 3 bars in a row. This is very good. Just a real ball buster trade here. E-mini S&P often not following through, and it can look bullish or bearish at any moment. It could be a continuation of this downtrend, or it could
On the market
pop to the
profile, the point of
upside.
control here is
46.75. I'm losing confidence though as I'm watching the time and sales, but it changes tick by tick when you're day trading. Okay, this 3-minute bar held with a higher low uh, for what it's worth. I think I'm just going to go for a point on this and then maybe re-enter another trade. Normally, this would provide some resistance here. I'm actually going to go with, I think this is going to go a little bit further. Nothing wrong with making 1 point in the mini S&P. If you're trading 5 contracts, that's $250.
What did I say
you do that
about the
twice a day,
45
that's
here?
$500 a day. Providing resistance, it's a tough one. But let's not forget, in futures trading, you can lose as quickly as you win. We're seeing some buying come in here. This is very good. Some size here. If it gets
It's
above
all
here,
green at
it's
47.50.
It's going to fly. Here's our time in sales. But how slow the E-mini S&P moves, it's just, it. You have to have patience. I'm just going to go for 1 point. I'm thinking of scratching the trade at a tick. You know, it's just really hard to watch your profit appear and disappear. Yep, I'm going to try to scratch at a tick. And that's it. Sometimes that's the way it goes. Just losing a little confidence here with this doji bar. I'm going to settle for 3 ticks. This has just been in the trade too long. I hope I can get 3 ticks. And I did. Okay.